Waiting for a client to pay an invoice? In this video, I'll clarify when and how you can formally request payment on Upwork for both hourly and fixed price contracts. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The process for requesting payment differs based on your contract type, and it's important to know the distinction to get paid correctly. For fixed price contracts, you request payment by submitting a milestone, as we covered in the previous video. You deliver the work and submit the milestone for the client's approval. For hourly contracts, you do not need to request payment. The Upwork hourly protection automatically bills the client each week based on your track time. The payment request is built in. If a client on an hourly contract is late in funding their payment method, Upwork will handle the reminders. Your role is to ensure you use the manual time tool correctly or have the track time approved. A crucial pro tip: the best way to request payment is to prevent delays. For fixed price, set clear milestones. For hourly, use the Upwork desktop app for transparent time tracking. This builds trust and makes payment a formality, not a request. And just like that, you understand the automated and manual payment systems on Upwork. Knowing this process ensures you get paid smoothly and on time. Have you ever had an issue with a late payment? How did you resolve it? Share your advice below. To understand what you take home, subscribe for our next video on how to calculate Upwork fees. Thanks for watching.